welcome to my channel RH Hacks. In this video I am going to show you what inside of the M3 band. Back 1 month, but after using for 1 month I got a problem. It had dropped from my hand and the display of this M3 band has gone. So this is now useless for me. I decided to make a video on it, and I will also show you the display of this M3 band, how is made. So let's get started. To open it we need a screwdriver, and you can see the display has come out, and here is the touchpad. The touchpad is responding very goodly, which was not responding on from outside, and you see the green light is blinking because the circuit is already fine, but the display has broken. Not broken, the display color are not showing the lights. You can see we can found many components. Here backside we have two lights in the front of the display and the touchpad, and the backside we can see a small lithium battery, and the black one is a small vibration motor. The circuit is made of black PCB. It runs all the device on one circuit. You can see that circuit is too much complex. The Bluetooth module, the vibration circuit controller, and the battery charger module exist on this circuit, and it also runs the display. The display only light is blinking, but not its pixel. The pixel has damaged. After some test, I will show the full teardown of its display, and I hope you will enjoy that. Let's continue. Those sensors are not real. They are two green LEDs that blinks forth, and it looks like an sensor, but it is fake. And there is a plastic layer between the light and the frame, and there are the charger module that contains the connection between the charger link and the circuit link. And now I am going to tear down its display. For this we need a knife and cut the last layer of the display. You can see the light is blinking, means the light of the display is working. But as those pixels are damaged, they are not showing an information to the display. The light is pretty bright. You can see the small battery manage all the things of the circuit and the display. So let's take out all the layers of the display. Let me connect the green to the circuit, and you will see the light will be also started to light up. Sorry, because I am not able to connect the light fully on the circuit. It is facing some problem, but not really. On the last part of the video, I will show the light, and the LED light blinking is totally green. So please continue watching this video. And this is the last layer of the display. You can see it is already looking like a mirror, and you can see the camera I used to make my videos. The light is still now working perfectly. And the green light is also blinking perfectly. Means the circuit is still now alive. You can see the display how made. They are too complex. The M4 M3 band cost me around 315 taka in Bangladeshi price. You can see the circuit is also working. I hope you like my video, understand the things I wanted to make all of you understand. Please give a like, give a share. This was my first video what I had made. I hope you become pleased, and thanks for watching. Thank you.